Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can easily read an Excel file in Java without using any external third-party libraries. This scenario is very useful, especially when you have a scenario where you wish maybe to export your Excel data to a database like SQL or Postgres. So for this, for demo purposes, I've prepared a simple Excel file, just a simple Excel file. It has a name, I mean age, name, and gender. And these are uh, the only data that is available that I've created. So let's start. So the first thing you do, let's create a function here. Call it static void int Excel. And because this function can have exception, let's throw an exception here. So the first thing we do, you utilize the scanner class in Java util. Scanner equals new scanner, and this scanner can accept many parameters. And one of the parameters it normally accepts is a file. So we say new file. Then we pass the path of our Excel, which is Excel path. Let's import this class. So after that, we are going to use a while loop to scan all these values in our Excel. And you can see the first element is these are enders, and we don't wish to store these enders in our database. Our concern is only from from line number 2. So to achieve this, we first of all need to read the first line. It says scanner dot next line. So by doing this, it means that when we start our while loop, it will not read this line. It will start from this line because we have already learned from the first line. So let's create our while loop. So we say while scanner dot as next. We get the line. We say string line equals scanner dot next line. So we can even output, we can first of all output, we see whether it is outputting the Excel. It says sysout line. So let's create our main method here. Main. And we say read Excel. And our idea will complain because we need to wrap this function in a try catch block. Because it has thrown an exception here, so you need to read this. We need to capture this exception. We can either use a throw exception or we wrap it in a try catch. Surround the try catch. That's it. And here you have our data here. So the next thing is we wish now to store each line in our database. To achieve this, we need to create an array. We need to extract an array from this line. So we achieve this by saying we split we split each line using, because this is a comma separated file, we split using a comma. So with this one now we need to change the line to be an array, which will be now. So if we need to read the first element, this one is at element 0 it is at index 0 in our array. This one is at index 1. This one is at index 2. So for age, string age is at index equals age equals line 0. Our name is at index 1. String. Gender is at index 2. So for age, let's give it a different name, str age. For age, we need to convert it to int. So we just say int age equals integer dot pass enter, and you pass str age. So with this, you can create now a function where you can store your values to a database. Maybe you can create a function like store to database, where you say age, name, and gender. Just create this function here. You can get rid of this and you say age, and with that, with this now you can easily save you can easily save your values to the database. So if you used to see more on this, you can follow, and you have any specific topic we covered in Java, you can always write in the comment section.